The Election Commission of India has ordered action against Varanasi's additional district magistrate N.K. Singh over violation of rules in the transportation of training EVMs. The city police commissioner had admitted to lapses yesterday but insisted that these were EVMs meant for training purposes only.
A top government official in Varanasi, an additional district magistrate, has been suspended on the orders of the Election Commission. A day after these scenes outside a counting centre in Varanasi, heated arguments and protests by the Samajwadi Party as they alleged EVMs were being taken out of the counting centre illegally. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav claimed the EVMs were being moved without informing candidates or their representatives, the standard protocol. After night-long protests, the Varanasi commissioner had accepted lapses in the transportation of the EVMs. In a statement today, the Varanasi DM said the EVMs were supposed to be moved this morning, but the now suspended official took them out the night before without informing anyone.
जो प्रोटोकॉल हुआ, जो ईवीएम का मूवमेंट था उसमें त्रुटि हुई, ये बात है, उसमें त्रुटि हुई, इसको हम रिपोर्ट भिजवा रहे हैं, लेकिन ये करना मैं एकदम दावे के साथ बोल रहा हूँ कि सब कोडिंग ये इम्पॉसिबल है.
I am in Uttar Pradesh's capital Lucknow right now, outside the main counting centre, which is the Ramabai Ambedkar Maidan, and I think it would be good to get a sense of how this counting takes place and how EVMs are actually guarded here. So this is outside the Ramabai Ambedkar Maidan. And the counting centers are all inside, the EVMs are all placed inside. This is a CCTV monitor here for all people. This is a CCTV monitor for anyone to come and access. So all of these images that you see on the CCTV monitor are of strong rooms. And these are the strong rooms where the EVMs are kept. And it's difficult to see it on a mobile camera, but I can definitely see that all of these locks over here, there are double locks, padlocks on each door. And all of them are sealed. And these seals will only be opened later when the counting commences. SP leaders kept a vigil where EVMs are stored across UP, especially after all exit polls, 12 of them forecast a win for the BJP. But at the BJP office in Lucknow, there was little buzz, despite this win forecast by the exit polls. It's a fairly empty party office right now. In fact, if you look to this side, a few leaders have come in and their SUVs are parked in the outside area of the BJP office. But beyond that, you don't have too many karyakartas, too many party workers here. But that's also because a lot of these workers or their top leaders are in their respective areas. For instance, Chief Minister Adityanath, who fought his first ever assembly election from the Gorakhpur Sadar seat, remains in Gorakhpur, and it's likely that he'll continue to remain. In Lucknow with camera person Rajesh Gupta, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.